Hello, welcome back to Curls by Sharlene. Today I'm going to show you how I went from boho braids to a braid out. So if you want to know how I did these boho braids, go back 3 videos and there's a full tutorial on how I did them. Now let's go ahead and loosen these braids. I made sure that the ends of these braids were just like a twist out, so I curled the bottom of the braids, so it was really easy to find the end. I am just using my fingers to unravel the braids. You can use a comb or whatever you're comfortable with. I would suggest adding some hair oil just to make it easier and to prevent frizz, which is very likely when you're unraveling. I previously did a braid out with just 4 braids, big braids, whereas these are smaller ones. You have this lovely like crinkled effect from the small ones, whereas the thicker ones are more of a elongated look. Tell me what you think. If you go back one video, you'll see that I unraveled just the 4 braids. Tell me if you see a difference. I definitely saw a difference, like how you braid it, the thickness, the technique, it all plays a part in how your hair will look. So this took me about an hour, I would say, to unravel all the braids because I did quite a few braids, but my hair felt fuller and thicker after this hairstyle, which was great. As I've been losing so much hair, I was like, yay, it feels thick again. It also felt very soft and fluffy. If you'd like to know which products I used, go back to my video, as I said. This is a great protective hairstyle and it can last for quite a while, so it's worth doing. You can definitely stretch the time for your next wash day and then, prolong the hairstyle as long as your scalp isn't itchy. That's the only thing with me, my scalp itches and then we've got to just take them down. Anyway, thanks so much for watching Curls by Sharlene. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.